In this video, I will demonstrate a highly valuable feature within Edit with Copilot. While it may initially appear as a novelty, it's actually one of the most frequently used and beneficial functionalities in Word Copilot. Now, this feature allows you to transform any unstructured text into a structured table. Hello, my name is Paresh and you're watching 365 Pros. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I suggest you do and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. Now what we have over here on the screen is essentially consists of bullet points describing various professions, their tasks, and corresponding salaries. For example, what does accountant do and how much he earns? What does a school teacher do and how much he earns? So on and so forth. Now, imagine transforming this information into a table. All right. And that's what we are going to do over here. So, what we do is we go ahead and select all this data. All right. And click on Draft with Copilot. And here you will see an option called Visualize as Table. All right. So, let's click on that. As you can see, the resultant table contains various columns and rows, right? It has divided everything into profession, their description, and median annual wage, right? Remarkably, Copilot accomplished this even without prior knowledge of the specific text context. So we did not provide any prompt or any context of how we want to visualize the table. So the power lies in readability. A well organized table is often easier to comprehend than a list of bullet points, as you could see over here. Now, this feature provides a lot of value across different contexts. For instance, consider converting a recipe or ingredient list into a table. So the same logic applies. It neatly separates relevant details such as quantity, description, making it significant and more accessible, right? Now, if you are still unconvinced, allow me to present another example. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, we had done this particular document where we had a proposal of expanding our coffee product to Europe, right? And as you can see that there are a lot of sections, executive summary, marketing list, and all of these have various bullet points. Now, although I created this content a few videos ago, it clearly lacks breakpoints or categories, making it challenging to read as a list of bullet points, right? So there are a lot of bullet points and it's not clear in the very first go. However, by transforming it into a table, we can impose a structure upon this unorganized text. All right. So let's just go into the executive summary over here and select this whole text. And remember, I have not given any context, right? And click on Copilot and click on Visualize as Table. Now, as you can see, the resulting table highlights key aspects of the proposal, including the coffee product, the marketing analysis, and marketing sales strategy. So each facet provides comprehensive information. The coffee product details, the thorough market analysis, and the comprehensive market sales strategy. Now, another interesting feature is the ability to regenerate the content. All right. As I can see over here, there are a lot of columns which have been generated. So what I would like Copilot to do is regenerate this. So what I can do is I can click on regenerate and let the Copilot give a different version. Now you can see that the table is much more simpler and does not contain so many columns. So you could actually consider this to use as a table of contents preceding the extensive bullet points, which could be overwhelming. As you can imagine, this feature is quite useful and very powerful as well. However, as you can imagine, Copilot is a new product, so there are limitations as well. So occasionally, you might find that Copilot may indicate insufficient quality information and might give an error that it cannot generate, but still, it attempts to create a table. Now, keep in mind that the responses won't be identical every time, which can be both advantageous but also sometimes challenging. But in a way, it's also good because you get different versions, right? So you need to remember that Copilot excels at transforming unstructured text into tables. It's a very powerful tool for enhancing readability. Why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself? I hope you like this video, and for more such videos, stay tuned to 365 Pros. Bye for now.